rise above flood stage early Sunday morning and continue rising to a crest of 36.1 feet Monday evening. Flood stage is 30.0 feet. Flood warning in effect from Saturday morning to late Wednesday morning. What minor flooding is forecast? Where? Black Creek at Quinby. When? From Saturday morning to late Wednesday morning. Impacts at 11.5 feet. Flood waters spill over into yards of all residences on Creekside Drive. Additional details at 10 a.m. Friday, the stage was 7.7 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage tomorrow morning to a crest of 12.0 feet early Monday morning. It will then fall below flood stage Tuesday afternoon. Flood stage is 10.0 feet. A tropical storm warning remains in effect for the following counties.